Hi, thank you so much for purchasing my template. In order to use my template, you need to open a Notion account. If you don't have a Notion account, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. So you can go to Google and type Notion. Here you can come on this link and then you can select Get Notion for free. You will be brought to this sign up page. You can choose to continue with Google or Apple, or you can type your own email ID. Let's do this one. So let's say I type my email ID. And then it will send a code to that particular email ID. As you can see, I got this code here. I can copy it and I can paste it here. And that's it. You can fill the details. You'll be brought in here. Are you going to use for personal use, for school, for your team? For personal use. And then this is going to be your space. Now let's move on to the tutorial. After you download the PDF, you will receive something like this, and your link of the template will be here. So you can click on the link and this will open the template. In the corner, you will see an option that says Start with this template, or it may even say Duplicate. You can select either of the options and this will open the template in your account. So you may receive your template in a different color, but the features are the same. Here you can change the date by just clicking on it and selecting the date. Here you'll get a weather widget. If you want to change this, you can go to indify.co. You can log in with your Google account and select the weather widget out here. This will open this window and you can change the location. Let's go with California. Then you can copy the link below and then paste the link on your template and select Create Embed. This will open the widget that you just selected, and then you can delete the old widget. So here you have a plant gallery where you can place the images of your plants. In order to replace these images that I have, you can double tap on the image, select Replace, Upload File, and then you can select the file of your plant image. Here you have an overview of all your plants. You can add the name of the plant here and then add the type of the plant it is. And then you can also add the requirements for each plant. For example, how often do you need to water them? What's the sunlight requirement, etc. So if you want to add more requirements, you can just click on the plus button here. Click on text. Select the requirement. Let's say cleaning. This is just an example. And it will be added here. And if you want to add more type or any other information to the database, you can just select and just simply start typing. In order to change the color, you can click on the three dots here and select the color. Below you have a checklist for your plant maintenance. Here you can add the name of the plant, the date, the task here. Here also you can add more tasks as you please. Again, let's just go for clean, make it green, and then check the boxes every time you do it. So yeah, this is a pretty simple template. I did not want to overcomplicate this. I hope you can make the best use of this template, and I wish you all the best.